Okay, class 10, this is our part 4 video from exercise 15.2. okay, this is your exercise 15.2 and part 4 video. In last class we did up to question number 1 only, so today we start from the question number 2. In the first question, in the given figure, O is the center. If angle AOC equals to 150, find angle ABC, that means this one, and ADC, that means this one. Okay, so we know that very well. Angle at the center equals to double angle subtended by an arc at the center equals to double angle at the remaining part of the circle. ये हम लोग थ्योरम पढ़े हुए हैं, तो we clearly written that angle AOC equals to 2 angle ABC, that is 150 equals to 2 angle ABC. Therefore angle ABC equals to 150 by 2, it's 75. Write the theorem. Angle at the center, angle subtended by an arc at the center equals to double angle at the remaining part of the circle. Okay, done. This is 75. Okay, ABCD is a cyclic chord. AOCD is not a cyclic chord, because last day we already teach you that if all the parts touches the circumference, then it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So ABCD is a cyclic chord. So we know that sum of the opposite pair of a cyclic chord is supplementary. We learn in the theorem. So angle B plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Reason: sum of opposite pair of interior angle of cyclic chord is 180. So in place of angle B we write down 75, D equals to 180. So angle D equals to 180 minus 75, that is 105. Okay, note. This is time for question number 4a. See, in question 4a, angle ADC is 80 given and angle ACD equals to 52 is given. So find out the value of angle ABC, angle ABC and angle CBD. Okay. So ABC is very easy, because ABC, that means this angle. So we know that sum of opposite pair of angle is 180. So you note it down that angle ADC plus angle ABC equals to 180 degree. Sum of opposite pair of interior angle is 180 degree. So 80 plus angle ABC equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle ABC equals to 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. So this is a 100 degree. Complete. Next is CBD. CBD. Okay. CBD. So we find that whole value is 100. But how to calculate CBD? Okay. If we know that this part, it is very easy to find out. Okay. So see, angle in the same segment, this one is given here, angle in the same segment, see, that means this is also 52. Angle DCA and angle DBA, angle in the same segment. So angle DCA, angle DBA equals to 52, angle in same segment. Okay, so we know that this is 52 and we know that the value of whole angle is 100. So when you minus down, we get the value of angle CBD. So angle CBD, that means this angle, how we calculate? 100 minus 52, it's 48. Okay, note. It's time for question number 5, subpart 1. In question number 5, see that ABCD is a parallelogram. A circle passes through A and D, cuts AB at E, AB at E and DC at F. Given that BEF is 80 degree, find the value of angle ABC. Clearly mention that ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. So before we doing this, we know that last day we learned that an exterior angle opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord, and we know that AEFD is a cyclic chord because it touches all the corner, all the circumference, all the corner touches the circumference of the circle. Okay, so AEFD is a cyclic chord. Done. So this angle equals to this one, that means angle BEF equals to angle ADC equals to 80 degree. Reason? An exterior angle equals to opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord. Okay, so this one is getting 80, but find the value of ABC, this one. Okay, so given ABCD is a parallelogram, we know that opposite angles of a parallelograms are equal. So angle ABC is equals to angle ADC equals to 80. Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Very easy. Note. Okay, it's time for question number 6. See, in question number 6. In the given figure, O is the center. You see the O? O is the center of the circle. If BAD is 30 degree, find the value of P, Q and R. Okay. So very easy. R, angle in same segment. Okay. So angle BAD equals to angle BED. Same base and touching the circumference. Equals to, so reason is angle in same segment. Okay, so BAD equals to 30 and BED equals to R, so value of R is 30 degree. Okay, we know that BOD is equals to angle BAD. Angle at the center equals to double angle at the remaining part of the circle. So angle BOD equals to 2 angle BAD. Both have the same base. One is the center and another one is touching the circumference. Okay na? So reason is angle at center equals to double angle at remaining part of circle. Okay. So in place of BOD we write down Q. 2 BAD value is 30, so Q is 60. So R is 30 and Q equals to 60 degree. It's time for P. See, angle ABCD is a cyclic chord, not BODC, because O is not touching the circumference. BACD touch all the corners, all the corners of the quadrilateral touching the circumference of the circle. Okay, so ABCD is a cyclic chord. So angle A equals to angle C. So angle A plus angle C equals to 180. We know that. What we know that? We know that sum of opposite interior angle, sum of opposite pair of a quadrilateral is 180 degree. So angle A is 30, C is P equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle P equals to 180 minus 30 equals to 150. So the value of P is 150, value of Q equals to 60 and R is 30 degree. Okay, note down. Question number 7b. Okay, in the given figure, angle ACE is 43, CAF is 62. Find the value of angle ABC. Okay, so this is very easy. First of all, angle C equals to 62 because we see that ABDE is a cyclic chord because corner of A touches the circumference, B touching, D touching, and E is also touching. So ABDE is a cyclic chord. Okay, so in a cyclic chord we know that and C equals to 62 and exterior angle equals to opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord. Okay, next part. Okay, next part, in triangle ACE, one angle is 643, another is 62, and another one is angle CEA equals to 180 degree. So this is your 105 plus angle CEA equals to 180 degree. Therefore angle CEA equals to 180 minus 105, that is 75. See, that means this one is 75. We know that sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. This one is 75. Why you calculate this? Because we know that an exterior angle equals to sum of the two opposite interior angle. So we easily write it down. 75 equals to C plus B. ये बचपन का थ्योरम हम लोग का ट्राइंगल का याद आ रहा है. एक ट्राइंगल का बाहर का एंगल दैट एक्सटीरियर एंगल इक्वल्स टू सम ऑफ टू अपोजिट इंटीरियर एंगल. एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल equals to sum of two opposite interior angle. 75 equals to C62 plus B. Therefore B equals to 75 minus 62, 13. So B is 13 degree. C is 62. Now it's time to find out the value of A. Okay, how we calculate A? 75 plus this angle. This angle is 105. How? According to straight line. So 75 plus angle DEF equals to 180 degree, linear pair. So angle DEF equals to 180 minus 75, that is 105. Okay, 105. So this 105 equals to this one, and exterior angle equals to opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord. Okay, so an exterior angle A equals to 105. Again I repeat, 105. This one exterior equals to opposite interior angle, and exterior angle equals to opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord. So A is 105, B is 13, and C is 62. Note.